Hey guys, I hope all is well tonight. Wanted to get out this video. This was a swing trade I took on the SPY on Tuesday this week, and a couple days behind, so I wanted to get it out tonight just to go over a swing trade. So I took this swing on Tuesday and swung it into Wednesday, and made about $100 on this overnight swing. Just wanted to do a quick review on it. So when I look at swings, and I don't swing a lot, but when I do look at swings, there's a couple different things I like to take into account when I'm looking at them to see if they're going to be a good setup or not. So I wanted to walk through that. So you can see here, I've got my SPY 4-pack brought up. So I've got the daily, the 4-hour, the hourly, and then the 15-minute on the SPY. So going into the close of the day on Tuesday, these are the four charts I was looking at to decide if I was going to take a swing or not. On the SPY, we all know that the market's been super weak as of late, and it was definitely showing weakness this past Tuesday. So I figured with the SPY showing weakness and with CPI data coming out Wednesday morning, it probably would be a good idea to take the SPY, but I wanted to base it off of technicals, of course. So going into the close of the day, you can see here we essentially started closing under VWAP on the 15-minute. Had a nasty sell-off from 383 all the way down to 379. So that was good. That was in favor of me swinging it. But really, the two charts I really look at when it comes to swinging is the daily and the 4-hour. So you can see here, this was the candle on the 12th. Now, it wasn't a super bearish candle, but one thing I was looking at was, even though the candle wasn't super bearish, one thing we had closed underneath VWAP and the 9 and 21 EMA. And we also had the stochastic slow start crossing towards the downside on the daily. So what that means is essentially, if it crosses going down, if it crosses that purple line going down, we're going to have momentum to the downside. So that's a big check mark when it comes to the daily chart. Even though we had bullish divergence on the SPY, the STO was the initial signal as, hey, we might be seeing some downside coming in. So that's one check mark. On the 4-hour chart, you can see here, VWAP is the blue dots. We definitely had closed below VWAP. So that's another huge check mark. And we had bearish divergence, plus we had a lot of volume. Now, we essentially didn't have that STO crossing down, but we definitely had these three factors lining up for a good move down. And then, of course, the hourly had opened and was closing well below VWAP. We had bearish divergence here, and we had the STO crossing. So the 1 hour definitely was a perfect setup to take for a swing. But 4-hour and the daily definitely giving me some signs on, hey, this may turn into a pretty good swing. So let's go to the 1-minute chart. I know this may be a bit hard to see, but just wanted to kind of show it from a bird's eye view so you can see where my entry and exit was. So you can see here I had an entry here. My entry here was around 1:38 in the afternoon on Tuesday Mountain Time. Then I exited right at 7:30 Mountain Time Wednesday morning. So you can see, entered here. We essentially kind of based most of the night. Had a little fake pop up towards that 385 level overnight, and then we essentially just sold off like crazy once CPI data came out from 384-ish, 380, 384s all the way down to 375 that morning. And then that's when I exited the trade for about $100 return overnight. So that's what I got for my setup. That's my trade. If you do like the data, please like and subscribe. Definitely trying to grow the channel. If you do have any questions about the trade or how I trade, please let me know. And hopefully you are having a good trading week. Hopefully you have grown your account, mitigated risk, and taken A+ setups. And with that being said, I'll talk with you guys later.